Let's solve this chemistry problem. We need to identify the element that has 6 protons and 7 neutrons. First, let's understand what the atomic number means. The atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons in its nucleus. In this case, we have 6 protons. Since this element has 6 protons, we can identify it as carbon. The atomic number 6 uniquely identifies this element as carbon on the periodic table. Now, we also know this atom has 7 neutrons. When we combine protons and neutrons in the nucleus, we get the complete nuclear structure of this specific carbon isotope. To find the mass number of this isotope, we add the number of protons and neutrons together. 6 protons plus 7 neutrons equals 13. This gives us the mass number of this carbon isotope. Therefore, this specific isotope is carbon-13, which we write in scientific notation as C13, or more formally as carbon-13 with the mass number 13 on top and the atomic number 6 on the bottom.